Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So Perplexity spaces are one of the platform's most useful features. You can organize your threads, collaborate with others, and even access everything from any device. At least, that's the idea. But what happens when you save a thread to a space on your desktop computer, then open Perplexity on your phone, and it's just not there? So spaces not syncing is basically quite an issue because it defeats the whole purpose of having cloud-based servers. But here's the thing, Perplexity is designed to sync across devices. If it's not working, there is usually a specific reason, and this is often something simple like incorrect account login or a device permission that needs to be enabled. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to draw spaces to sync across your devices fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So verify you are using the same account on all devices. This is by far the number one cause of any synchronization issues. The problem, you might have signed in with Google on one device and Apple on the other, and those are technically different accounts. Defects: on each device, click your profile icon and check the displayed email address or even the username. Ensure the email is exactly the same across all devices. If not, you have to sign out and sign in back to your own email. Also, enable account sync in settings. Perplexity defaults to client sync, but some privacy sensitive settings should be manually added. So, on your mobile, for example, go through profile, go through your settings, look for these syncing options, and make sure you clear all of them. And that's the whole idea. So, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.